what is the success rate of this business or those people who join the program? Very good. Just recently, a lot of people are asking for success rate. And I pause and ask myself, what do they really mean? But whenever may nag-webinar ako, may nagtanong din po niyan. And I know many nagtatanong rin po. And I was like wondering, what is really the reason behind that question? And one thing that I realized, it's certainty. You just want to feel, you just want this assurance that I will succeed in this business, that I can make this thing happen. Well, here's the thing. There's no such thing as success rate. Because ang success po ng anyone, nasa kamay ng tao. Wala po sa sistema. May mga estudyante ka ba, Sir John, na hindi kumita? Yeah. Pero bakit sila hindi kumita? That is more important question that you need to ask rather than what is the success rate, because why other people also made multi-million with this program, with this mentoring. Is it the system the problem? Because if the system doesn't work, then that means dapat walang kikita. Do you guys agree? Sir John, guaranteed po ba akong kikita? Okay, that's a great question. Here's my response. Guaranteed kang kikita kung gagawin mo lahat ng sinasabi ko. That's the thing. Because again, I'm a mentor. I'm a coach. I am not a magician. Do not think na ma-attend ka lang ng webinar, woo, milyonaryo na ako next month. Hindi ka kumilos? Gusto mong supply? Gusto mong mag-reap ng reward? Wala kang itinanim? Forget it, right? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. We're talking about business building in here. I know it is a long answer sa question, but I would like you to see it in a different perspective.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.